The Big Berry Bush. Welcome to the big forest. It was a very big, happy place. The sun was warm and the grass was green. In the middle was a tall, red berry bush. It was the best bush. This is Pip, the squirrel. Pip ran very fast to the bush. "My berries," said Pip. "I will eat them all." He sat on a branch high up. This is Bruno, the bear. Bruno walked very slowly to the bush. "My berries," said Bruno. "I am big and hungry." He stood near the trunk, down low. And this is Flopsy, the rabbit. Flopsy hopped near the bush. Pip and Bruno looked angry. "Stop," said Flopsy. "The bush is big. Why not share?" "No," shouted Pip from his branch. "It is my breakfast." "No," growled Bruno from the ground. "It is my lunch." Pip and Bruno looked only at the berries. Flopsy did not look at the berries. She looked up. "Look at the big sky," she whispered. "Look at the world outside the bush." Pip looked up. The sky was so blue. Bruno looked up. The trees were so tall. The bush looked a little smaller now. Bruno smiled. "The world is very, very big," he said. "The bush is small. We can share the small things." Pip jumped down to the ground. "Yes," he chirped. "Sharing is fun. Berries for you, Bruno. Berries for you, Flopsy." They ate the sweet red berries together. They shared the sun and the warm green grass. The big forest was a happy place for everyone. The end.